back to another VirtualBox tutorial. I know you guys like the last one, Windows NT 3.51. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do another one. So this one is going to be Windows 3.11. And it is almost the exact same as Windows 3.1. So I'm going to leave the links for MS-DOS installation and also Windows 3.11. Because you are going to need to know how to install MS-DOS and Windows 3.1. So, of course, open up VirtualBox as usual, and you're going to need both disks. You're going to need the Windows 3.11 disks and the MS-DOS 6.22 disks. So first what you're going to do is name it whatever you want. So I'm going to call it Windows 3.11, leave it on Windows 3.1. You can leave the RAM where it is. I'm going to do that too. And choose fixed size here. And you can create a machine folder for it. So I'm going to call it 3.11, and this will be where your virtual hard drive will save. So I'm going to be back when it's done. Alright, so it is now done, and you can drag this wherever you want to. So then you're going to click on Settings, and you're going to go to Storage and go to the empty floppy, and you're going to want to insert the Disk 1 setup for MS-DOS. Click on OK, and click on Start, and it will start your virtual machine up. So I'm going to go in full screen, and it will say starting MS-DOS. So now you're going to have to install MS-DOS. The reason why we need MS-DOS for this is because Windows 3.11 actually runs over top of DOS, so all the legacy operating systems run over DOS for Windows. So click on Enter, and make sure Disk 1 is in, press Enter. And I believe it's going to format your drive. As you can see, it is formatting my drive here. These settings are correct, so just press Enter again. And now it's asking for setup disk number 2, so I'm just going to enter that in right now. So you're going to have to browse for yours, but mine's already here. And soon enough, it will want disk number 3, so yep, just enter that in. Press Enter. And it'll say remove all disks, so go to the floppy and remove disk from virtual drive. Click on that and click on Enter. Click on Enter to reboot. MS-DOS 6.22 is successfully installed now, but one more thing, we need to insert something called a CD-ROM IMG. This is also going to be in with the MS-DOS the MS-DOS floppy drives. It's going to be in the same file folder. So go to the A drive and type in setup.bat. And now click on your host key. For me, it's Command and R. For Windows user, it's Windows plus R. And click on Restart, or just Enter. And now the CD-ROM driver is installed. So that means we can insert any ISOs we want. So once you have gotten the CD-ROM driver inserted, you're going to want to insert the Windows 3.11 CD-ROM thing here. Not CD-ROM, the floppy drive. So you're going to browse for yours. Mine's in here, so you're going to insert in disk 1, the first disk, and you're going to type in A:, and type in dir. Make sure a ton of files come up. Type in setup.exe. And now you are in the Windows 3.11 setup. Click on Enter to continue. Enter for the Express setup, and it will copy files, and now it wants disk number 2. So you're going to browse for disk number 2, and when you click on Browse, it'll just open the last directory. So for me, it's right here. Click on Enter. Now it wants disk number 3. I know this could get kind of irritating at times, but you have to follow along with the setup. Just trust me. So once you get here, it's going to ask for a name, so enter in whatever you want. That's fine. Company name, just I'll enter YouTube. And click on Continue. And that's good. And it wants disk number 4 now. And basically, sometimes it skips over disk number 5. I don't know why, but I'm just gonna leave in disk number 5 just to be safe. So you guys, if it does ask for disk 5, then you will be there. So it did ask for disk 5 this time. So you're gonna browse for yours, and mine's right here again. This could get a bit old at some time. All right, so it actually doesn't ask for disk 6 sometimes. Alright, so once you're in the printer installation, I don't think we need one, so just click on Cancel. Leave that on the MS-DOS editor and click on OK. Okay, so it did come up with a little error that's saying it couldn't read from the disk, but that's fine. So just click on Skip Tutorial and reboot. So you might need to remove the floppy. So once you get into MS-DOS, you're going to type in cdwin cd Windows, and then type in Win. Alright. Okay, so I totally forgot what to say, but make sure to change your scaling factor to 175 depending on what screen you have, or what resolution of screen you have. And click into the box and click capture if you're on a Windows machine. If you're on a Mac, you don't have to do anything. So there you are. I know it looks plain, but this is Windows 3.11. Hope you guys have enjoyed the tutorial. Smash a like, subscribe, and I guess I'll see you guys later. Wait, before you guys go, you can suggest any operating system in the comment section, because look, I have all these virtual machines here. You can suggest a lot of them. I have access to about every single virtual machine or Windows, and I have some Linux too that you would want, and I have some Mac systems too. So just comment in the comment section some ideas for me. So yeah, so if you want me to do an operating system, just suggest it down in the comments. So I guess I'm going to see you guys later now. Goodbye.